abantu bamintu embiamwari. Muna utulivu wa ajabu. Mujipigie makofi as a way of saying, sending huyo mama. Our brother Richard Onyonka, Senator, and your family, my brothers, fellow mourners, I'm told the Kisii tradition, like elsewhere, lazima mulowe the casket before 6 o'clock. That effectively means, mimi sitaongea, nitakuja tu niseme pole, and that's why he came. My friend Fred Matiang'i has given the condolences of our other brothers. Some are traveling, some like Natembea under stress. Allow me to say, by the way, I recognize William msichana peke yake hajaonekana, akuje tu aonekane. This is Nora Bosibori. She's a Kisii lady, most schooled in ICT. Hawa ndio atahakikisha Ruto hataiba kura. And she's running for election in Dagoretti North. I believe on Wiper Patriotic Ticket. Thank you, Nora. All the others have been recognized. What do we say? Losing a mama is painful. But you know, as one of the speakers said, Mama in her final moments has brought this country together. That's why I say tumpigie makofi, because that is true. Linda Mwananchi, United, Alternative Government, we have also listened. My brother, former CJ, Maraga, and it is clear as can be that the time for change is now. It is clear that William Ruto is going to be one term. It is very clear. But we must recognize that election is also a process. And Dugu Jim Orengo, we've come a long way. We should not give up. We are nearly there. We are nearly there for the sake of this country, to deliver real change and to deliver a nation that is going to stand together. A democratic state, not a monarchy, as Jim has reminded us. And so, my friends, when William Ruto came to Kisii, alisema kwamba atawapatieni vijana and Linda something nyota. Vijana ambao walifanya application 4,700. Wale walifanikiwa, na mnajua hiyo ni program ya World Bank. Bribery right through. What we must do, fellow Kenyans, is to make sure between now and the next August, not this one, in 2027, we will not allow William Ruto room to manipulate. The people of Emur Dikir nearly gave DCP the win. And we want to congratulate them. We want to congratulate the people of Emur Dikir. As we know, they're in the Rift Valley. The call for one term is countrywide. And therefore, mimi naona tu korera zangu. Usiku ndio huyo, mama lazima apumzike. Tutarudi tena Kisii. Lakini tunawapa hakikisho jinsi tunavyoweza. Tutashikamana pamoja. Some of us have the history of saying, so and so is better than me. We can't all be the same. And I think what we stress here is the team, and the trim, and the team, and the team. Our brother Maraga, you'll not be moving along with us. Sasa njoo, tusonge pamoja, and other people. We have listened to Linda Mwananchi. We congratulate you. This country has changed, but as it is, we must now protect. We know that a ruling has been made as we sit here today in Malava, in the Malava by-election. Again, the last beacon of hope is our judiciary. We don't want to see what has happened in Malava today. Pressure. Wewe judge, usipofanya hii, utaenda nyumbani. We also want to see, because our brother Chief Justice Maraga left at least a proud legacy. We would want to see what happened in Malava. We all know they didn't win. Uda did not win. in Mordekir. UDA did not win in Mbeere North. And UDA were defeated. We are going to employ a different strategy. Al-Kalau tutawashinde in round one, not even round one. Kabla hata saa 10. Kwa hivyo, it is now 20 minutes to 6 o'clock. And I must stop. Tunamwenzi mama. I had occasion to serve with Dr. Zachary Ogongo. Dr. Zachary Onyonka. There was also Zachary Ogongo, by the way, who was a very famous administrator. But Onyonka was himself, because we see a lot of our late brother, Dr. Onyonka, in Senator Huyu. When he started defending the auctioning of Jomo Kenyatta International Airport, Kenyans thought he was joking. He succeeded. My brother CJ, we are saying no to the divestiture of 15% shares in Safaricom. We need men and women who are brave, who are able to brave whatever challenge to be able to save and deliver this nation. Senator, endelea na msimamo huo, and we are together. That's why I had to come. There's such a thing as Ministry of Presence, and I've sat here. To the rule of law and constitutionalism. May God rest the soul of Mama Teresia in eternal peace. Amen.